Hello and welcome to the channel. First of all, thank you to PunCube for collaborating with me on this video, and please do check out the link in the description to buy this product. Today we're checking out something a little bit different from my usual e-mobility, tech and gadget reviews. If you're into everyday carry gear, premium accessories, or you just love clever engineering, then you're really going to want to see this. This is the PunCube Mech Wallet. It's complete with the optional MagSafe Module. It's a minimalist wallet with a mechanical card ejection system. It's got RFID protection and the ability to magnetically attach to MagSafe compatible iPhones and accessories. Let's get it unboxed and see what you get in the box. Let's take a closer look at the build quality, and I'll give you my thoughts on whether it's worth your money. So let's open it up. Straight away, the packaging. Honestly, it gives you a premium first impression. Everything's so well presented, and it makes you feel more like you're opening a high-end tech product than a wallet. Inside the box you'll find the PunCube Mech Wallet itself, the MagSafe Module, the installation accessories and the user guide and documentation. First impressions are absolutely excellent. You can see the machining is incredibly clean, the finish looks really premium, and it feels solid without being overly heavy. Every edge is smooth and the overall build quality is immediately noticeable. So an even closer look, the standout feature for me is the mechanical card deployment system. You just simply push the side lever and your cards fan out in seconds. It makes it really easy to access with one hand, and it really is incredibly satisfying to use and feels much more refined than pulling out cards out of a traditional wallet. The Mech Wallet also has RFID blocking, so it helps protect your contactless bank cards or travel cards from unwanted scanning. And capacity wise, it's designed for everyday essentials really, rather than carrying everything that you own. So if you are someone that likes to travel light, carry your driving license, a few bank cards and perhaps a business card or two, this size makes absolute perfect sense. So now let's talk about one of the biggest features, and this is the optional MagSafe Module. It simply attaches to the wallet, allowing it to work with MagSafe compatible iPhones and accessories. And once fitted with the tiny screws, the magnets feel reassuringly strong. It snaps into place with a satisfying click and stays securely attached during everyday use. So if you're already using MagSafe charging stands or car mounts or other magnetic accessories, this adds another level of convenience. So instead of carrying your phone and your wallet separately, you can keep them together. Whenever you want, you can quickly detach them just as easily. It's a clever addition that modernises the wallet without adding too much bulk. One thing that really stands out is the engineering. Everything feels precision machined. The button action is smooth, there's no rattling, and the mechanism feels durable. This doesn't feel like a cheap wallet trying to imitate premium products. It genuinely feels like a quality piece of everyday carry equipment. And even after repeatedly deploying the cards, the mechanism feels smooth and consistent. It's definitely one of those products that's surprisingly addictive to use. So, would I recommend it? If you're looking for a premium minimalist wallet with excellent build quality and a satisfying mechanical card system and the added convenience of MagSafe compatibility, then I think the PunCube Mech Wallet is definitely worth considering, particularly if you're thinking about it as a gift. It's ideal for anyone who prefers carrying just the essentials while still wanting something that feels modern and stylish and incredibly well made. for everyday carry, this really is an impressive piece of kit. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe for more tech, gadget, drone, e-mobility and everyday carry reviews. And let me know down in the comments, would you switch to a minimalist wallet like this? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.